Hi, this is Mark Gordon with GoldenTicker.com, and I wanted to call your attention to a very successful trade we did in China green agriculture. This is a hot Chinese organic fertilizer stock that we got aboard here on November the 7th. And our buy point was the November 6th high, just above that, a few cents above that. And we were risking down to $11.78, the low here, and our risk was 5.9%, which is very manageable. We also had all these resistance points here, support points of the 20-day moving average and of the 50-day moving average here. So this was a good entry point here. And we ran up, got a nice pullback here a few days later, but our stop held real nicely. It found some actually some support here in this area. And the stock quickly ran up and hit our first target, which was 14.08, and for an 11.4% gain. Now at this point I usually recommend to sell half of your position unless the market's super strong and you're in a super strong stock. So at this point we recommended to sell half of your position. And ran up here and then pulled back here and found support at this trend line here that was in effect here from late October. And ran up here to a high of $18.70 in the first week of December for a 33% gain from our buy point down here. Now China green agriculture was a swing trade for us, and a swing trade is a shorter term trade, usually lasting a few days to a few weeks to a few months. And we're sort of looking to find trades that will have a high percentage of hitting our first profit target. And as you know, when we hit our first profit target, we usually take about 50% of our gain off the table, and we move our stop to break even, which means that we have no risk in the market at that point. And then we let the stock run until we get a major sell signal. So that's how we traded China green agriculture.